Vaseline petroleum jelly. Is it safe? Well, putting motor oil on our skin, I don't know that that could be safe. It locks in bacteria, funguses, and dirt.
If you use this, you're putting petrol on your lips. The only place Vaseline belongs is on your car engine, not on your skin. And here's why.
Can I use Vaseline as a lubricant? Hi, I'm Tegan. I'm a health advisor assistant.
Just mix Vaseline with banana and you'll be amazed. After trying this once, you'll never want to skip a single night without it.
Let's get one thing clear before we start. Yes, Vaseline is made from petroleum, but no, it's not the petrol that you're putting in your cars. Vaseline or white petrolatum is triple purified to pharmaceutical standards. It's safe, it's inert, and it's approved for even the most sensitive skin. This is not crude oil, people. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to protect, nourish, and even transform your skin, especially if you're over 50. Here are my 8 powerful, practical hacks to use it in your skincare routine or your daily routine, especially for dry, sensitive, or mature skin. My hack number 1, you can lock in your skincare. Vaseline is the most effective occlusive moisturiser. Used last in your nighttime routine, it seals in hydration. It keeps your skin barrier protected overnight. Just a thin layer over your serums and your moisturiser, and your skin will wake up calm, soft, and nourished. My hack number 2, protect sensitive areas. Now, if you're using retinol, exfoliants or peels, and I always recommend you do over the age of 50, apply a small amount of Vaseline around the sensitive areas. That's the eyes, corners of the nose, corners of the mouth. Vaseline is going to act like a shield, stopping irritation right before it starts. Now, my hack number 3 is that we can boost product penetration for thick, dry areas like elbows, knees, or feet. Apply your active product first, such as your amylactin or your ameliorate, then apply your Vaseline on top. The Vaseline almost acts like a little lid. It's helping protect the product and helping it penetrate deeper. It's going to work for you. It's a trick that I've recommended for years. My hack number 4 is that Vaseline can help you heal faster, scar less. If you've got a minor burn, a cut, or you've had a procedure that has irritated the skin and requires a bit of healing, keep the area clean, then apply a layer of Vaseline. It's going to lock in moisture. It's going to help the skin regenerate faster and reduce the risk of infection, often just as well as prescription antibiotic creams. My hack number 5 is something that you probably already know. The lip balm that you can trust is Vaseline. Now, most lip products contain fragrance, they contain some chemicals, they've got flavorings and actives that irritate the skin. And you may have noticed when you use a lip balm consistently, your lips almost demand it. You wake up even drier. Vaseline is gentle, fragrance-free, and deeply effective. Use it on its own or over a hydrating balm that's very natural to lock in softness. Hack number 6, getting close. Vaseline can make your perfume last longer. Yes, here's a beauty insider tip. Apply a dab of Vaseline to your pulse points before spraying your perfume. It helps the fragrance stick to the skin so you smell gorgeous all day, and it's going to make your expensive fragrances last that little bit longer. My hack number 7, the under eye secret. Vaseline makes an incredible under eye cream. It's excellent as a substitute for your more expensive creams, especially for dry, irritated eyelids. It's often the base used in prescription creams for conditions like eyelid eczema because of its incredible properties. Now, to use it, you want to cleanse first, then apply the tiniest amount under your eyes or on your eyelids. You can also use it to buffer strong actives and prevent irritation in this very delicate area. Hack number 8, I call a supermodel hack. Vaseline is going to stop your concealer from creasing. Yes, it's one for the makeup lovers. A whisper of Vaseline under the eyes before applying concealer keeps the skin supple and stops the product from settling into our fine lines and crepey skin. Forget your TikTok influencers. Makeup artists have known this little hack for years. It really works. You only need the tiniest amount. It's going to make your makeup look effortless. So, is it safe for the face? The answer is yes, but like anything, it must be used correctly. Vaseline on clean skin, perfectly safe. Vaseline over unwashed, dirty skin, well, you're going to trap in bacteria, and that's where people get little pimples and where the issues start. Always cleanse first. And if you don't like the texture, that's fine. You don't have to use it. I love it. I don't mind it. But in terms of effectiveness, it's one of the most trusted, gentle, and proven ingredients available. If there was ever a Nobel Prize for budget-friendly skincare, Vaseline would win it. Hands down. So there you have it. Those are my 8 skin-saving Vaseline hacks for every single woman over the age of 50. Everyone over the age of 50. Things that you should know. If you'd like a copy of everything I've discussed here and how to use it, I've created a free download for you in the description box below and in the first pinned comment. Remember, it's affordable, it's proven, it's underestimated. I use it, I recommend it, and I'd never be without it. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.